Welcome. Cancelling a course place, sending apologies. If you cancel your place after the booking date is closed, this will send your apology. Doing this rather than sending a separate email saves both you and our administrators time and gives your place to another person immediately. You can always check what you did and when in your My Courses tile, and the exact time and date of your cancellation is hard-coded. If the course has a penalty for late cancellation, this is the best way to ensure your place is cancelled immediately without delay, and both you and the course administrator have a record. To cancel a course, you just log in, use your username and password. Now go back to your courses again, and you'll see down on the left-hand side My Course Bookings, and here is your confirmed courses. And simply to cancel this course, you click Cancel Booking. Now if this has gone beyond the booking date, maybe the course is tomorrow, then this would send an apology, but it's the same process, and administration staff will be told that you've cancelled the course. It's all done with 2 clicks. Click on Cancel Course, OK, and as you see, it now tells you that's been cancelled. That's how you cancel your place on a course. I hope you found this short video helpful, and please do check out the others in this series. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel too, and click the bell notification icon so you're notified the next time the Diocese uploads a new video. Take care and God bless.